Are you tired of going through your Pokemon Go account and going through and praising every single Pokemon to see if you get some good stats, or at least make it 3 stars, or maybe there's a hidden hundo somewhere? And once you've got the appraisal for the unit, then you have to actually rename all the different Pokemon so that you use your special code for ones that you use for gyms, ones that you use for battles, ones you use for PvP and all this stuff. Wouldn't it be something to make it easier, like at least something that's going to somewhat automate this? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some apps that you can use to help make the process easier for you. So we're going to go over the two pieces of software. The first one is Poke Genie. All right. This one is a nice little program because it allows you to do appraisals, and it'll calculate the based on the CP and all that stuff, the level and all that stuff. So this is a very, very useful program. Again, you want to go to Google Play to do this, because this little macro the thing can only work on the Android system. It doesn't work on iOS systems. All right. The second program is what they call ClickMate Auto Clicker Macro. This is the program that will actually copy your key pushes and your screen taps and your swipes and that kind of stuff, and that will record it and do your key taps and that kind of stuff, do copy and paste and whatnot. So this is the main program. Again, go to the Google Play to download this into your phone. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to boot up the ClickMate program, and I need to teach it the macro. So once I begin the macro, I'll go through the sequence as you see here of me doing the assessment, use Poke Genie to get all the stats, then click on the title of the name of the Pokemon, paste what Poke Genie has in it there, and then save it, and then swipe to the next one. Okay, so that's what the complete macro will be. Okay, now with the macro recorded, now I just go press the play button on the macro, and the macro will automatically go through and repeat that exact same sequence that I just done. So there you go. Press assess. There's your stats. Go copy the stats. Poke Genie puts the stats into the paste buffer. So then what you do is then you would click the name of the Pokemon, paste. So paste that in. Okay, and then swipe to the next guy. Okay, again, I hope you found this very handy. For me to do my collection, it took me about a course of like 20 hours to do an account of almost 5,000 Pokemon to basically label numbered. I definitely do use the different search engine results, so that way you can fine tune and not only give the various different IVs, but also designate items for distance. Obviously, your guys for PvP or whatever things that you like to use. Do use the search engine for that. All right. So if you find this very useful, go drop below, drop a like and subscribe for more content about anime and games.